Knife throwing. It's a skill that has captivated people for centuries, whether for survival, sport, or just plain fun. The ability to hurl a blade with accuracy holds a certain allure. In a world increasingly reliant on technology, knife throwing offers a connection to a more primal skill set. Beyond the cool factor, knife throwing is a discipline that demands focus, precision, and hand-eye coordination. It's a journey of self-discovery, pushing you to understand the physics of projectile motion and the nuances of your own body mechanics. But let's be clear, knife throwing is not a skill to be taken lightly. It requires respect for the craft and a steadfast commitment to safety. With the right guidance and a healthy dose of caution, anyone can learn the basics of knife throwing and experience the satisfaction of hearing that satisfying thunk as the blade finds its mark. Before you even think about throwing a knife, you need the right tool for the job. Forget fancy, ornate knives. Beginners should start with a simple, balanced throwing knife. Look for knives specifically designed for throwing, typically made from a single piece of steel with a weight between 12 and 16 ounces. Once you've got your knife, it's time to find your stance. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, your dominant foot slightly behind the other. Your body should be relaxed, with your weight balanced. Hold the knife with a firm grip, but don't squeeze too tight. You want to avoid any tension that could throw off your throw. The key is to find a grip that feels comfortable and secure. Remember, knife throwing is all about consistency. Finding a comfortable stance and grip that you can replicate every time is crucial for accurate throws. With your stance set and your grip firm, you're ready to unleash the blade. Extend your arm forward, keeping it straight and relaxed. As you bring your arm back, shift your weight onto your back foot. This generates power for the throw. As you release the knife, snap your wrist forward. This imparts spin on the knife, which is crucial for accuracy and consistency. Aim for a smooth, controlled release, avoiding any jerky movements. Remember, throwing distance is determined by the number of rotations the knife makes in the air. Start close to your target and gradually increase the distance as you become more comfortable. Knife throwing is a skill that takes time and dedication to master. Don't get discouraged if you don't stick it on your first try. The key is to practice consistently and focus on your technique. Choose a safe, secluded outdoor space for your practice sessions. Never throw knives at anything living, and always be aware of your surroundings. Wear closed-toe shoes and consider wearing safety glasses to protect your eyes. Start with short throwing distances and gradually increase the distance as your accuracy improves. Focus on consistency in your stance, grip, and release. With patience and persistence, you'll be hitting your target with confidence in no time.